welcome to another episode of Recording to the Bean. I'm the Bean, and today I have a Walt Life box here. Now some of you may be like, wait, what? That's a Walt Life box? Now they actually have this really cool new packaging that you can see right here. It says special delivery, special delivery, special delivery. And it looks pretty cool, wondering what's inside. And then it says a magical experience. Top secret surprises inside. I like this new box. I think it looks pretty cool. It has some palm trees on it. I like the color scheme. So let's just open this up here really quick. Got some tape. Okay. Now, like always, let me just grip this off. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys a sneak peek like always. 1, 2, 3. Ah! Okay. Now let me turn this around. And let's see what we got in here. So first off, we have this Sword in the Stone postcard. Okay. It has, I think that's the witch that fights like Merlin in there, turned into a rhinoceros. Oh yeah, and then you can see Merlin. It's kind of hard to tell. And Merlin is a little crab on the front. Okay. Now what else do we have? Ooh, we have a Jack Skellington beanie. Now it is near the winter time and it's starting to get colder where I live, and this will be nice. So let's try putting this on. Jack Skellington on the back there. That fits pretty well. I like this. This is comfortable. It has like this inner layer, so you're not feeling this like yarn, so it's actually kind of nice there, because sometimes yarn is itchy and I don't really like it, but yeah, I like that a lot. So now let's see what else. Looks like we got 2 more things in here. 3. We have a postcard, another postcard. This one is the witch as a snake here. Actually goes like this, but on the back you can see it's like that. These are pretty cool. Sword in the Stone 1963 cleanup animation drawing by John Sibley and Wolfgang Wiederman. Graphite colored pencil. Oh, so that tells you what they used to draw that. That's pretty cool. Next, what is this? Whoa! Whoa, these are cool. So these are actually not like, if you can see here, these have these different backings. Let me take them out of here really quick. They have different backings, so they're actually Lilo Instinct. They look like her little doll. I forget what the doll's name is. I want to say Ralph or something. 2. This looks like a popsicle, and then like a ice cream sandwich, and then we have Stitch themed ice cream cone and a Stitch themed cupcake. You can see Stitch's ears. These are really cool. I'm not sure. I collect pins and I have a lanyard where I put my pins on, but they usually have different backings, so I'm not sure if these will stay, but otherwise these are really nice. They have a nice like texture to them, and I really enjoy these. Next up we have this Loungefly and blind box pins. We're going to be doing a little bit of mystery unboxing. Within the mystery unboxing contains 1 collectible pins. So on the back it looks like it shows the different one I can get, I think. So let's see what we get. Looks like these are Bugs Life themed. They're like little puzzle pieces almost. Like, let's see. Okay, oh, here's our little blind bag here. We will shake it up, good measure. Okay, and let's see what we get. Put them in my hand, and we got, it's the roly-polies, that's what they're called. The roly-polies, or the pill bugs. I'm not entirely sure what you want to call them, but this is cool. So they're on the back here. It's like part of a leaf here, you can see. It's like part of a leaf. Now, we've gotten a lot of pins. And now, I really love collecting pins. And with this beanie, now the postcards, they were just okay. I don't know if I'll ever use them. I have a few postcards, Disney postcards, that I put up in my room, so I might put these up in my room. But with just this beanie and these pins, even just this pin set, this is a pretty cool box. We have quite a few things here. And yeah, I really like these pins. I'll definitely use them. 4 pins, that's a lot. And then this other pin, we got to do a little mystery unboxing, which is always fun. And yeah, winter time, so this hat, this beanie will come in great use. But that's me in this video. Please like this video and subscribe if you enjoyed it. Also, don't forget to follow us on Instagram at According to the Bing and ring that notification bell. And stay tuned for more Disney and Walt Life videos to come in the future. We actually have a Paper Parks videos that will come out relatively soon, so stay tuned for that. Bye! I might do the D23 unboxing right now. I'm in that mood. 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 I'm in that kind of mood. Yeah.